can't move the mountain that's standing in your way. I came to tell you, God can. I said God can. And when you can turn the darkness into the light of day, I got good news for you. God can. God can. God can. When you can find the answers to all your doubts and fears, if you were needing someone can wipe away your tears, change your past and you can heal a broken heart. When you can find the courage to make a brand new start. When you were at your weakest, He'll fill you with His strength. It's not by might, but by His Spirit that you can do all things. Yes, you can change your future where home is in His hands. He holds all power in His mighty hand. Can do anything. Still the King of Kings.